Okay, good evening students. Today we will continue with exercise 1E. Exercise 1E. So the next question is verify whether the given statement is true or false. So I will do this with 2 Roman 2, okay. So you have to prove that whether the given statement is true or false. So minus 9 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. So we have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So this statement, so this left hand side is equal to or this left hand side is equal to right hand side or not, we have to find out. We have to say that this statement is true or false. So for this, how can you start the solution? So left hand side, LHS means left hand side. Left hand side is how much? Minus 9 divided by 3 by 4. Okay? Minus 9 divided by 3 by 4. So minus 9 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to into 4 by 3. So now minus 9 we can put inside the bracket. So 3 3s are 9. So minus 3 into 4 minus 12. Isn't it? 4 3s are 12 minus 12. And now right hand side. Now we have to see the right hand side. So right hand side is equal to how much? 3 by 4 divided by minus 9. Okay, so 3 by 4 into 1 by minus 9. Again, we have to remove the denominator from the, we have to remove the negative from the denominator. So it will be minus 1 by 9. Okay, so now 3 3s are 9. 3 divided by 3 3s are 9. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 12. So we have find out that left hand side, therefore left hand side, so to minus 12 is not is equal to minus 1 by 12. Left hand side, therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore the statement is false. Therefore the given statement is false. Okay. Therefore the given statement is false. Okay. Now we will go to question number 3. We will go to question number 3. Question number 3, which one will do? I will do this one also. 2. Okay, 3 2. So what it is asking? So minus 16 divided by 6 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10 is equal to minus 16 divided by 6 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10. Okay, so this is the question. So here also we have, it is asked that verify whether the given statement is true or false. That means whether this left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. That we have to find out. So how we have to do the solution? Solution, left hand side, okay, is equal to minus 16 divided by 6 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10. Okay, this is equal to left hand side. So here minus 16, whatever inside the second bracket, we have to convert it into this division. We have to convert it into multiplication by reciprocating the this part 6 by 5. So 5 by 6 divided by minus 9 by 10. Okay. So this one equal to, so minus 16 into 5 divided by 6. So minus 16 into 5, this numerator will get multiply with the numerator, and it will give me minus 16 into 5. And this denominator 1 into 6 will give me 6. Okay. So this again I will put inside the bracket, second bracket. So this one again, here is division. So again you have to convert it in multiplication by reciprocating the 9 minus 9 by 10. This part you have to reciprocate. So minus 10 will go up, actually 10 by minus 9. Okay, 10 by minus 9. So as you have to remove the negative from the denominator, you have to write it in the numerator. Okay, so now this part, so this part here is minus. So what will, so minus 16 into 5 by 6 into minus 10 by 9. So this minus and this minus will become plus. So ultimately 16 into 5 by 6 into 10 by 9. So 2 3 just 6, 2 5 just 10. So 16 into 5. 16 into 5 will give me how much? 16 into 5. So here 16 into 5 is 25 by 9 3 is 27. Okay. So 16 into 5 is how much? 16 into 25 is how much? We will do 25 into 16. 6 5 is 30. 6 2 is 12. 13 14 15. 5 10 4. Sorry, it will be 0. 5 plus 5 10 2 3 4 400. So 400 by 27. Okay. So this is the left hand side. Now we'll check the right hand side. So what the right hand side is? So minus 16 divided inside the bracket, it is what? 6 by 5 divided by minus 9 by 10. Okay. So we'll solve first, that is inside the bracket. So minus 16 divided by minus 16. Yes, minus 16 divided by, so what is inside the bracket? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 divided by, now we have to convert this division into multiplication by reciprocating minus 9 by 10. Then here is denominator, as the denominator is negative, we have to make it positive by giving the numerator a negative. Okay. So is equal to minus 16 into divided by, here is division. So minus will come outside, and 6 by 10 by 5 by 9. Okay. So now 5 2 is 10, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So what we get by simplifying the inside the whatever it is inside the bracket, what we get? See, here will be minus 2 2 is 4 by 3. Okay. So again we have to See, here is division, we can do multiplication by reciprocating this minus 4 by 3. So what we get? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, here is minus, here is also minus. So minus into minus will give me plus. That means 16 into 3 by 4. So 4 2 just 16 and 2 into 3 is 6. So the answer is 6. In the right hand side, the answer that we are getting it is 6, and in the left hand side, the answer that we are getting in the is 400 by 27. Therefore, we can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, the statement is false. Therefore, the given statement is false. Okay, students. So in this video we will do this much only. In the next video we will continue the rest of the exercise. Okay, thank you very much.